you want to grow a thicker hair or a fuller hair in less than 6 months or less than 1 year, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so here I created an amazing ingredient that's going to help me to promote your hair. So this is my hair after mini braids for a year, and the result is just mind-blowing. So if you are just like me that want to grow your hair and you love to challenge yourself a lot and you want to have a longer 4C hair, try any of my recipes. So in today's video, I will show you another amazing ingredient that's going to help you to promote your hair growth and get you a thicker hair by December. So loves, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment, and let's get the video started. So I just washed my hair and I want to do a leave-in condition, and I use an amazing hair mask which is already in the channel. Do check it out. So this is my hair after using the hair mask on my hair, and I love the after results of using that hair mask. It's an Avidevic hair mask. You need to give that a try. Use it consistently to achieve this result I have. Okay, so I've been using Avidevic ingredients ever since I started mini braid, and it has been helping my hair to grow to this length. So the first thing we are going to be using is flaxseed. Okay, so this is a flaxseed leave-in condition. Flaxseed has amazing benefits for hair growth. Okay, some people don't like flaxseed on their hair. They say it makes the hair either sticky, it makes the hair strong. Like, it straightens your hair, does not mean that it make your hair strong. So I will be also be adding in onions inside this recipe. Okay, so in a pot we are going to be measuring my flaxseed, add water, and put the onions. So for me, I just eyeballed my own flaxseed. Okay, you can use a measuring spoon to do it. All right, so I'm just chopping all the onions I have. I use half onions, so if you want to do more, you can add more onions to your recipe. Sorry about my voice, I have blocked nose just in case. Okay, so this is the flaxseed, and I'm using teaspoon to just eyeball the flaxseed I need, but let's just count it. Like, I used like 4 teaspoons, which will give you 2 tablespoons. You know, teaspoon is half a tablespoon, so 2 tablespoons should be fine for you. You can put 4 tablespoons depending on how thick you want your flaxseed gel to be. So add a little water, and this is the fun part because you need to be stirring it consistently to achieve a good result. Okay, so if you leave it a little bit to boil, come back and stir, so that, and also boil this on a low heat so that your flaxseed don't get burned. So as the video goes on, I will be telling you guys the benefits of onions and also the benefits of flaxseed as well. So the flaxseed gel is ready. You can cook this. When you notice that your flaxseed is already becoming jelly, you know the flaxseed gel is ready. So this is how my flaxseed is. Okay, it's a bit watery, but don't worry guys, don't worry. When it cooled down, you see that it's thick. So why I'm using this strain, you can use a cheesecloth, you can use a wig cap, anything, but I love using strain and I like leaving it a little bit watery. So if I use a strain to strain it, I can still get my juice, and anyone that is left in the flaxseed, I can blend it to get another juice. Yes, this recipe, this flaxseed that you're seeing with onions, I blended it together to do an Avidevic deep hair mask. Okay, that I used is already, the video is already in the channel. Do watch, check it out. So this is the flaxseed gel I'll be using as a leave-in condition on my hair. Okay, so we're going to be talking the benefits of flaxseed, and I also added MSM powder inside this. Okay, MSM powder is another good source of treatment that's going to help you to promote your hair growth. Okay, since I started mini braids, I think I started using this MSM powder last year, and it has been doing good on my hair. So I also added oil, which is Jamaica black castor oil. So just a little bit, a few drop, and that was it. So I did not measure it. So if you want to measure it, you can use like a teaspoon or a tablespoon. So you mix everything together. I'm also going to be using my whisker to mix it as well, just to make sure that the gel and the oil combine together. So for flaxseed gel promotes hair growth. Okay, it nourishes your scalp because flaxseed gel has omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin E oil, which nourishes your hair follicles, strengthens your hair, and it also reduces breakage and frizziness. And it also helps you, it gets a healthier hair, okay, and longer hair. So flaxseed gel is really really good, okay, for hair growth, and it also stimulates your scalp as well. So sorry guys, I said that on my nose. For the onions juice helps in promoting hair growth because it's high in sulfur. Okay, so after I mix everything together, I transfer it into the container. This is a container I'm going to be storing this inside, and I store this in my freezer. So onions has high sulfur content inside that provides nourishment to your hair follicles and to your scalp. Okay, so onions has antibacterial properties, okay, that helps to protect your hair against damage and keeps your hair healthy. It reduces issues like dandruff, and research shows that earlier stage of conditions like alopecia have been shown promising results that hair growth when using onion juice applied on it consistently. So if you use onion, if you have alopecia and you consistently using onion juice on your hair, you will see amazing result. And onion juice should be used 3 times or 2 times in a week for amazing results. So for this treatment, I'll be applying this on my hair 2 to 3 times in a week. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing with this treatment. So it may be another video, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like, but for now this is what my hair is. I'm going to apply it on my hair, but before I apply this on my hair, I use a hair growth tea. That's my go-to hair growth tea. It's already, I'll be bringing it out. Okay, so that's my hair growth tea that I have been using on my hair, that's been helping me to grow my hair. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So this is day 1, so I'll keep on using it till maybe 2 weeks or more, then till I run out of this of the gel. Anyway, till I run out of the gel, then I'll come back and show you guys what my growth is like. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. So doing this, my hair felt really really amazing, and again the ends of my hair, okay, the gel really defined my coils. The ends of my hair has a little bit of coils, so it really defined my coils, which I love so much. I love using flaxseed gel on my hair. The first time I used flaxseed gel, oh my god, I was blown away by the result I got. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.